Dre, what day is it?
What day is it supposed to be?
It's Saturday morning.
Saturday morning.
What are you doing here?
Well, you know, sometimes I get up early.
Man's got to work. Where's Alan going? It's time to go to work.
I'm telling you, he's bummed.
I can't believe I knew both of y'all couldn't be here for long on a Saturday morning. Well, let's do a quick walk around the shop and see what we got going on this week. Is there anything in here new? We got a Camry pulling the front tires.
Yeah, that's new, ain't it?
Yeah.
We got a Honda bumper just fixing prime today.
That's the Nissan battery right there, ain't it? I mean,
Back bumper.
Yeah, there's the Nissan back bumper to go on the Nissan that's on the rack. Got it pulled, and that's all it's basically waiting on, ain't it?
It's ready to put back together, yeah.
The green. Go ahead.
Got a new gas tank there for the ambulance.
Yeah, that's for the
Chicken truck.
Truck out front there.
We probably had it in today, but they forgot about us and didn't get it.
Didn't bring it like it's supposed to. You know how them parts people are.
Telling you.
And you painted, we decided to go ahead and paint the front bumper on the Camry here. This is the one that was hit in the back.
Oh, speaking of, do you got a picture of the previous?
Yes, I got a picture of the previous.
Send that to me.
I need to try to insert it in here too, if I got a little time this morning, since I'm early doing the video. But this one is hitting the back. Insert picture here. Now, hope y'all see a picture right there when I get. Anyway, and like I said, there's one of the bumpers painted for. But yeah, I'll send you them pictures here in a little bit. Got the wheels painted for the back of the Maverick. Now he's got to find him 2 front ones. Check them out right there.
Probably, like I said.
Is that the Maverick?
That's the Maverick.
It matches.
Yep.
Matches pretty good.
Like I said, I'm probably just going to end up ordering. But I'd like to melt some tires on it, put it on the car, and make sure I'm going to like it.
Before
if
you
I
go buy
don't
2 more.
Like it, I'll just leave slicks on
Well,
it.
that's yeah. You leave slicks on them, but if you do like it, then you get the 2 front ones.
Right.
And
But I hate to buy the 2 front ones, and I don't really like it.
have a nice couple red pretty wheels for trailer spare, I guess.
That's true.
Let's see. That's the one that the gas tank's going on. Franklin County Command Post Rescue Squad used to be. Bought this little van off Copart. Just came in today, delivered. I actually drove it up here to the shop. They delivered out there at the house. Drove it, what's about 20 miles? So it's already.
Man, it's double the fee of delivering it here.
No, yeah,
there, so.
for real. But I drove it on up here. Seems to run out good. We're going to put a bumper, airbag, headlight, and
Don't look very bad.
got cold air still. Water's full, so all that's real good. That's the Honda bumper you was talking about?
Yeah, that's the Honda bumper.
Got the Honda bumper repaired.
Today.
And that's the bumper for the Chevrolet truck. Ain't it? Got the Chevrolet truck and the Toyota truck out there.
We got the parts primed on the Toyota truck.
Parts primed on Toyota. So
A few more parts came in for free today. That's kind of where we're at. It's pretty much waiting on parts for it.
So hopefully the Chevrolet and the Toyota will be gone next week. The
Yeah, that's what
Honda bumper, the
primer to soak up good on
so
the.
we got a good week going out. There ain't nothing really in there, is there? I don't think. Nah, that's what I was thinking. But anyway, like I said, we're here at the shop this morning. Got a few little things to do. Supposed to be a pretty day, so get out and about.
You know why me and Daddy's here early?
Why are you here?
It's a little bit of a surprise. Maybe I shouldn't spoil it. Or
Oh,
should
yeah.
I tell the surprise?
I
What we're
don't know.
going to pick up.
I don't know. You can if you want to.
We bought a 55 Thunderbird.
55
Bright
Thunderbird.
yellow.
We'll have to see that, won't we?
Yeah.
Check
I
us
don't
out.
Jinx it. But we're supposed to be picking that up this morning.
Supposed to be. 256 Garage out.